Welcome to a 7-day Soul Audit Bootcamp. I'm inviting you to this beautiful container, small group, intimate group of 6 to 10 person, where we're going to be supporting each other on practicing daily. We're opening the bootcamp with 2 live sessions on Zoom, Saturday, February 7th, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. In this session, I'm going to teach you the fundamentals, and we're going to start practicing right away. Then we're going to start learning on how to channel one of our Starseed fractal to receive healing activation that are linked to the mini soul audit that we're going to be creating for ourselves. We're going to learn the subtleties on how to scan others and send our Starseed aspect to others to give them healing and activation. And then throughout the whole week, starting on Saturday, we're going to be practicing daily and sharing our process in our Telegram group. The goal is to build momentum, consistency, discipline on overcoming resistance, on exploring possibilities, and step by step, you're going to start mastering this technique that is going to become a life skill. It's going to be highly useful in the future to overcome any type of challenges, problems, crisis, triggers. Once we are challenged by life and our nervous system is unstable, we need to find what is the shadow. And the best way is to channel. But sometimes when we are not aligned or centered, it's very hard to start channeling. So that's why we bring these type of techniques using muscle testing. We sit down, we start analyzing different layers, and then we're able to write down a report. With this report, we have more confidence to start jumping into a channel. And then we bring in our starseed aspect to clear whatever we need to clear. And then we evolve. Obviously, sometimes we cannot shift everything right away, but it becomes a process of exploration of how consciousness works, how shadow works, how light works, how to open more our channel to receive and to be in communion with all, with everything. Because everything is conscious, everything is alive. And at the depth, spirituality is really about surrendering and openness to allowing ourselves to receive more of that communion, and ultimately is that communion with the absolute, or whatever you want to call it, the creator, the one. And with this, it brings so much more peace in our life, so we are able to navigate life with more ease, less efforts. I hope to see you there. It's going to be a beautiful container. Just you investing in yourself, just you being present is going to start reactivating your consciousness in your day to day through synchronicities, through your dreams. There's no coincidence. So, everybody that's going to be joining this container is going to be mirroring each other. We slightly know each other at the soul level. So, we're going to be building a one consciousness, a one heart, a collective team supporting each other on this upgrade. Thank you so much for your trust, and I hope to see you there.